they still gonna find a place for you at the prison. And they'll just have 1,001 people at the prison. All right, DeAndre Shepard.
She said it's on the last because of docket.
All right, thank you.
Second to last page. I apologize.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I forgot the last page was trial.
Is he on deferred adjudication?
Can I see that?
Sure.
Thanks, Judge. No, Judge, it's been adjudicated.
Right. What is his underlying? Do we?
1 second, Judge.
All right, thank you.
How about those folks?
But it's 505.
All right, thank you. All right. So you're here for a compliance hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to follow the directions of probation. Do you understand? There are rules in place. You say absolutely, but you would not be here if you were not doing that. They want to know where you're living.
I live with my grandpa.
No, you do not. According to this, they talked to you and asked you where you resided, and then you told them you live there, but then you changed it and said you live with various girls and you didn't want to provide an address. So this is what I'm going to tell you, and I want you to understand me clearly. I want you to hear what I'm saying, and I want you to internalize what I'm saying. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're looking at potentially 5 years in the prison if a motion to revoke is filed against you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are on probation, people say you're on paper. It's a contract. And it's a contract that you follow the rules that have been set for you to follow. You understand? Your life is not your own. When the probation officer is asking where you're residing, you don't get to tell them, I'm not giving you the address. Do you understand? And all this nonsense about I'm living with various girls, you should be working this plan so you can complete probation. Do you understand? Now, if you would like a motion to revoke to be filed and we just be done with this and you go to prison, you let me know, we'll accommodate you. Then you need to start behaving as though you don't want that to happen. How old are you? All right, so you've passed your teenage years by a long shot. You understand? So if you want to go to prison, and I've told people this before, there is always accommodation at the prison. I don't care if the prison is designed to only hold 1,000 people or 1,000 inmates. And if they hold more than 1,000, it's a violation of civil rights and whatever. Guess what? They still gonna find a place for you at the prison. And they'll just have 1,001 people at the prison. So you had better start acting as though you do not want to have a motion to revoke be filed or go to prison, because that's a potential consequence for for your actions. And they're going to come out and visit you at your grandfather's house, and you had better be staying there. And this whole nonsense about I'm living with various girls, that's just a bunch of nonsense. You understand?
Well,
Is there anything else that needs to be addressed?
No, Judge.
All right, so this is the last compliance hearing we're having about you not providing an address to them. You better provide it, and that better be done today. Anything else you need? All right, thank you. All right, anyone else?
Ma'am, I have.
Morning.
Morning. How you doing, sir?
I'm well, yourself?
Not good, man.
I hear you. What's your name, please?
Anthony Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. All right. Appeal of State of Michigan versus Anthony Johnson. Case number 21F0871. All right. Morning, Ms. Cleveland.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Melissa Kleeman on behalf of Mr. Johnson and on behalf had the chance to go over the complaints in this matter. He stands mute and waives the formal reading of the charges.
Thank you. Mr. Johnson, you understand these 3 charges against you and the possible maximum penalties if you're convicted of those 3 counts or any of those 3 counts?
Excuse me, sir.
I'm just verifying that you understand that there's 3 felony counts against you and you understand the maximum penalties should you be convicted of any or all.
Felony accounts?
Yep. Do you want me to read the charging document to you?
Please, sir.
Certainly. The allegation is on August 6th, 2021, City of Ypsilanti County, Washington State of Michigan at 119 College Place. You did make an assault upon Jasmine Neal with a dangerous weapon identified as a short barrel rifle. That is a felony carrying a maximum penalty if convicted of up to 4 years in prison, a $2,000 fine, or both. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Count 2, you did possess and or use a firearm when ineligible to do so because you've been convicted of a felony prior to this, making you ineligible for possession of a firearm. That is a felony carrying a maximum penalty if convicted of up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, or both. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And count 3, you did possess ammunition when ineligible to do so due to a prior felony conviction. Again, a felony carrying a maximum penalty if convicted of up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, or both. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Court needs to advise.
Sorry about that, sir. So, because I'm not the best with law or anything. So, the call was I assaulted her. This is like the statement. I assaulted her with with an assault rifle, short barrel assault rifle.
That's count 1. Yep. Count 2 and 3 are possession of that rifle and the ammunition associated with that rifle.
Because I was told when I was stopped, it was only domestic
Okay,
violence.
hang on. I don't want you to say anything about the case right now. I don't want you to say anything that might incriminate you, okay?
Okay, man. Yes, man. Is there any way I can go to a breakout with you for a second?
We can do that.
We can, yes.
Thank you.
Up to you, Ms. Kleeman. Do you want to break up?
That's fine.
Okay.
Is this breakout?
Hang on a second.
Not yet. 1 second.
Let the corrections officers know you need a breakout room, okay?
I don't know how to do it.
Get the corrections officer, they'll do it.
Okay. Excuse me. I need one of y'all to give me to the breakout room. To a breakout room. The judge wanted to see that. No, he said, I don't know, you gotta join this some here, so.
Thanks for getting me.
Mr. Reiser, they're going